Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Finding local maxima for this function is actually super fast if you follow these simple steps. Let's solve this calculus problem together right now. First, remember that a local maximum occurs only when the first derivative changes from positive to negative. We need to find where our given function h prime of x equals 0. Since x is always positive on our interval, we only need to focus on where the cosine term is 0. This happens when the inner square root part equals pi over 2. Solving for x yields critical points. Checking sign changes shows only 1.351 and 3.951 work. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs carefully to avoid a rush. Trust given values and check steps.